Good evening, Jamaica. I'm a member of the People's National Party. The economy is moving in the right direction. I used to pay $10,000 for my light bill, now I'm only paying $4 because of the PNP. My grandchildren are off the shift system, thanks be to the People's National Party. My grandchildren, they're on part, so they only pay $50. The breakfast program, oh my God, it is a blessing. What would we do without the People's National Party? The Jamaica Labour Party, oh my God, I don't know where they are going. The 10-pine plant, not even the private sector want to hear about it. That is crap. Even the little 19-year-old them, the new voter them will come now says foolishness. Crap. Some of us ask the people them for come out the 25th, and we now stop the progress. We step up the progress. Them can't stop the push. So we just say forward. Come the 25th, we'll be victorious. X beside the head.